Walking underneath it. Go, buddy! Big girl! Yeah! Oh, are you telling us about it? You like walking.
Really?
Yes, she likes it a lot.
Oh, sure. Sure. Here, can I help you around? Can I help you flip this around?
Just filming her right now. It's very cute.
There. Go for it now, Miss Violet. Oh, oh man. You turned your shopping cart over.